You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and you had a great weekend. It is Monday today. It is Monday, May 20th. It is my mom's birthday actually. And we are going to be filming a power hour. Sorry, I'm not in focus. Why does that keep happening? There we go. You guys are balanced on a crock pot with a dish on top of it upside down. That's the only thing I could find to get at this level. But yes, we are going to be filming a power hour today. The house just needs some picking up. I did nothing this morning. I've been at it since like 6:30 in the morning. I worked for a couple of hours and then did some online certification stuff. I went to Orange Theory at noon. Got a car wash, I ran some errands, and then before I know it, it's 3 o'clock. This happens like every afternoon. I feel like between the hours of 12 and 3, or 1 and 3, I don't know what happens. It just goes so fast. But anyway, I wanna get this power hour done, and I actually have to clean some stuff because Rosie and Minnie, my 2 Yorkies, sorry, this is like the longest intro ever, but they get frontline medication every single month, frontline like flea and tick. And they weren't due for it for another couple of days, but I noticed that both of them were itching a little bit. So I took a comb and I looked at their hair, and they both have a couple of little fleas. It's not like a major like thing, but they both had a couple, which kind of grosses me out, but I also feel really bad for them. So I gave them their medication. And now I have to deep clean everything because when a dog gets fleas, the fleas can then live in the fabric. So you really need to clean everything. The dog beds, they don't sleep in our bed anymore. However, I did let them on the bed a few days ago. So now I'm like paranoid. I just want to wash like everything. So honestly, this might be a power 2 hours. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going until I finish everything. So let me make my list. I'm actually gonna do my list on my whiteboard today. I'm gonna change things up. So let me go ahead and write it, and then I'll show y'all what I have to do. Okay, so here's my list. I need to, let me flip you around. I need to clean the sheets and my comforter, clean the dog beds, tidy the kitchen, mop the floors, tidy my office, vacuum the sofa, wash all of the blankets, and fold the towels. So it's a big laundry day. Y'all know I hate laundry, but let's just get to it. I'm probably going to listen to a podcast or watch some YouTube videos while I'm cleaning. I'm not necessarily in a rush, but I want to get everything done. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this. I would love to have you. And let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy the music. I have been looking for some new music on, it's called Epidemic Sounds. That's what I use. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are creators as well. I've always wondered where YouTubers, sorry, I'm like not looking at you. I always wondered where creators got their music from. So I finally figured out that they get it from Epidemic Sounds. So I signed up for a membership, and it's pretty reasonable, and I like it a lot. There's a ton of options, and yeah. Anyway, I don't know why I mentioned that, but okay, let's go ahead and get started, and I hope y'all enjoy this video.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me, yeah. It's what you do to me, I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me, yeah. It's what you do to me, I can barely breathe. It's what what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body is giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. 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 It's what you do.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed. From a window in the mighty clouds up high, I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light and love, giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let the the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in, 'cause I am a, let the force in, 'cause I am a, let the force in. I am above, above, I feel above, above, I feel above, above, I feel above, oh, I feel above.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told.
Okay guys, that is everything for today. The only thing I didn't get to is mopping the floors. I am gonna do that later. If I remember to turn on the camera, I'll make sure I insert a clip before this. But if not, do know that it's gonna get done today. And I know that I said I was going to clean the dog beds, but I was just Googling it, and some people said that it was just better off to replace the dog bed altogether. That way you're not getting, like, I don't know, putting that into your washer, and then like that kind of grossed me out. So they haven't had a new dog bed in a little while, so I figured I'll treat them to a new one. So I'm gonna run off to Home Goods right now and go get them a new dog bed. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you have any video requests. I would love to do that for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
We're wrong. It was way more than a dream. We climbed up, get over the